To the day Awilo. To the day Awilo.
My baby is calling me. Hello. Babe, what's up now?
I'm fine. Good afternoon, babe.
Good afternoon. Where exactly are you?
I'm somewhere around the bus stop. The address you gave me. I'm somewhere around the corner there.
Yeah, I'm walking down right now. Where exactly are you? Like,
At the bus stop, that is where I was just.
okay, just be walking down. I'm coming towards that area.
Okay, I should walk down the street.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Alright.
How dare you touch me? How dare you touch me? You got me. Oh my God. God. Oh my God. What kind of nonsense is this? Oh, don't try it next time. Even in your next life, don't try it. Don't you ever try it again. Oh my God, what kind of nonsense is this? This dirty man. Hello, baby. Where are you now? I'm standing here since. You said you are. I'm already at the bus stop. I'm standing here since. And one old man is kind of touching his dirty finger on me. Where are you, baby? Come, I'm waiting for you, please. Baby, you keep me standing here. Oh.
What happened? Who slapped you? You were saying something on phone.
One dirty old man like that. One dirty old
Slap
man
you for
like that.
what? For what
So
reason?
just touching his dirty finger on
Who is that
my
stupid person
skin.
that stopped my baby?
See him there, that dirty old man. See him.
Which old man?
Oh,
Baby,
baby.
There is God.
You know what slap you?
Yes. Dirty old man. He touched his dirty finger on my body. Oh, baby.
This old man knows who I am.
Baby,
Are you
just
playing?
clean my body
I kill many
for
people.
me.
50
Oh.
cents. Many of them cannot even bear with me in this country, baby. Sorry.
Baby, you don't even know how much I spend on my body cream.
sorry, baby.
He's
I'm sorry for
pushing
that.
his dirty finger
Please
on
come
me.
and show me
See
this
the man
man.
here now. See the old man. I don't know the reason why.
Yes, old man.
My son. Is it?
Daddy.
Obìnrin.
Father.
Obìnrin.
Your
Obìnrin.
Oh my God.
Father, I'm sorry. Come. Babe, what happened here?
My son. Sorry,
Dad.
is that your dad? Jesus! To be getting wife, my son. He slapped me. I know yesterday you take me to dentist. For my teeth. Baby, is that your dad?
Stop my dad.
Babe,
My dad.
I don't mean it. Baby, I can explain. I can explain, baby.
Yes, babe. See.
Baby, I can explain. I can explain, baby.
If
I
you
can
don't
explain. I don't know that it's your dad. Babe, please. Babe, please. I can explain. I can explain. I don't know it's your dad, babe. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Babe, I can explain. Wait, I can explain. I don't know it's your dad. I don't know. I can explain.
My father has spent everything that. You have to make sure that I'm happy after.
God, what have I done? What have I done? Baby, I can.
Don't talk to me, are you stupid? Are you fucking mad? If you talk to me again, I swear to God, I will do
What have I done?
You regret it in your life. Don't be funny.
I can explain that.
You take me to hospital. This is my tooth.
Can you see? This is
My tooth.
Magic. My own dad. Your life. Don't ever come to
Babe,
me.
I can explain.
I know I'm
Can you just listen to me?
Dad, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry, Dad.
It's not your fault.
Sorry, Dad.
It's okay. Okay.
I'm sorry, Dad.
What have I done?
See, let's be your first and last. Don't ever come and look back next.
Babe, please, I can
Don't come
explain.
and look back. Don't touch me.
I can explain.
Please, I'm sorry, Dad. Don't touch me.
Oh my God.
Dad,
Oh
I'm
my
sorry.
God, what have I done?
Dad, I'm sorry.
What have I done? Oh my God. Babe, please
See
forgive
the
me,
lady you want
babe.
to marry.
Babe, please
Well,
forgive
kill
me.
me.
What have I done?
This guy's stupid, babe. Come on. My own age. Dad, I'm sorry.
It's okay, my son.
I'm sorry,
What have I
Dad.
done? What
I'm
have I
sorry.
done?
Dad, I'm sorry. Don't worry, you. You are not to do with you, right? You have the mind to stop my dad. My dad that did everything to send me to abroad. You have the guts to stop my dad. That I'm sorry to say that